Hey there, tech enthusiasts and PC troubleshooters. Welcome to my channel, your ultimate destination for tackling those annoying, flicking problems on your computer screen. Have you ever been in the middle of an important task or an intense game session only to be interrupted by that frustrating flicking screen? Well, you're not alone, and you've come to the right place. Without further ado, let's get started. A flickering screen on a PC can be caused by various factors, and troubleshooting the issue depends on identifying the specific cause, such as screen resolution, software conflicts, malware, and to name a few. First, let's hover over our Start icon, then locate our Task Manager. If the Task Manager is also flickering, the issue is with the graphics driver. If the Task Manager is not flickering, it is due to a bad configured app. One of the ways of doing this is by installing the latest updates of Windows. Now let's click on the Start icon. Search for Settings, click on it. Search for Windows Update, then click on it. As you can see, there are available updates that need downloading. Here it says download and install all, while here it says retry. First, let's click on the download and install all. Please note, in your case, it might be different from mine. As you can see, it says you're up to date. At the bottom, there's still available updates. So let's over to the download and install button, then click on it. So all you need to do is just to ensure that all updates are downloaded and installed. Once you're through with the installation, please restart your computer. If that doesn't work, now follow the next step by rolling back graphics drivers. If you have recently installed the graphics driver and after that you start facing the flickering issue, you should roll back the graphics driver. To do that, click on Start and type Device Manager. Open it. Okay, let me try to adjust the page a little bit. Okay, let's move down to the display adapters. Now expand the display adapter section here. Right-click on the graphics adapter and select Properties. Click on the Driver tab. Now click on Rollback Driver. Then follow the instructions to roll back the driver. Now restart your PC and see if the problem is fixed or not. If that doesn't work, we could try updating the graphics drivers. Sometimes the outdated driver also causes the issue, so you should try updating the graphics drivers. To update the driver, open the Device Manager, expand the Display Adapter section, right-click on your graphics adapter and select Update the driver. You can select Search automatically for drivers, and if it doesn't find the proper driver, you can go to the graphics card manufacturer's website and download the latest driver. And download the latest driver that install it manually. Restart your PC and see if the issue is solved or not. Uninstall graphics adapter. If after restarting your PC and after rollback and updating the driver, the issue is not fixed, you should try uninstalling the graphics adapter. Open the Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics driver and select Uninstall Device. Confirm your action. After uninstalling the adapter, restart your PC. Windows will detect the graphics adapter and install the suitable driver. Adjust your personalization settings. If by any chance you have selected a slideshow as your desktop background, you could face the screen flickering issue on Windows 11. So you should select a solid desktop. In order to select a solid desktop background, let's go to Settings. Click on Settings. Then click on Personalization. Select Background. Select Background. Click here. And select a solid background. You can also select Picture. Now go back and select Colors. Click here on Accent Colors and select Manual. Disable animation effects. Sometimes animation effects also cause this issue. So let's disable the animation effects. We could start by going to Settings. Open it. Go to Accessibility. Click on Visual Effects. Now disable the animation effects. It will disable all animation effects on your system. Now restart your system and check if the flicker issue is resolved or not. Check for app incompatibility. An incompatible app could also cause the screen flickering issue on your Windows 11. So you should also check for incompatible apps. Open Settings, click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Now here, click on Sort By and select Data Installed. Now check that recently installed app that started the flickering issue on your PC. Uninstall that app. That's it. Then restart your PC. So that's pretty much it. If you want to see videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Bye for now.